Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. Let's create this beautiful fall eye look. Okay, so start off with the lightest shade in your palette and just go back and forth. Add this shade to your crease and keep on blending until you get a very beautiful, smooth, smoked out canvas. Next, I'm taking this warm yellowish kind of shade from the palette and putting it on my lid plus my crease area. Using a bigger, fluffier brush, I'm just blending it all over the space. Just keep going until you get the desired pigmentation. Next, with the help of a smaller brush, I'm taking this deeper, darker brown and putting it very close to my upper lash line and just blending it. And then again, just go over with a fluffier brush so that there are no harsh edges and everything looks blended. If you feel like that the shadow washed away or you need more, then obviously you can go back and add more. So just keep going until you are satisfied with your eye look, because that's the most important thing. Then pinch the brush and just add the same shades on your lower lash line. Next, taking this beautiful bronzy kind of shade from the palette and using a flat brush, I'm adding it onto the center of my eyelid. You can use your fingers to apply this shade as well. It just depends on your preference. Next, I'm taking a small brush and using the same yellowish shade that we used earlier and putting it on my inner corner. So far, so good, but I think we need a little more highlight. So taking this glittery shade from the palette, I'm adding it on my inner corner with this smaller brush and just blending it. Then I'm using this black kajal. I'm not putting it inside my waterline, but instead I'm putting it very close to my lower lash line and then just blending it with the help of a brush and also with that brown shade to get a very smoky look. Next, I'm just putting some mascara covering my top and bottom lashes, and we are almost finished. So if you want, you can use falsies, but I like this way. So hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell and share my video. It will give me motivation. So bye bye.